Good day, Sir Madam. I am Rochelle Belges, 25 years old. I have a living partner, blessed with one kid. My father was a driver and my mother was a domestic helper. I have one sister and one brother. I work as domestic helper in Quezon City, Philippines for almost 4 years. I have served one couple and 2 kids. My main duties from my previous employer was cooking, washing their clothes, cleaning the house, taking care of their kids, and send them to school. If you hire me, Sir Madam, I promise to be responsible to my duties, especially in taking good care to your kids. I will be kind, honest, and trustworthy. I will be flexible and open-minded when it comes to tasks. So I am always willing to learn new things and adjust my approach accordingly. Thank you, Sir Madam. I hope to see you there in Hong Kong.